Introducing the Ritello Total Home Cleaning System, the Renaissance Edition. Turn both latches to unlock the main unit. Then fill the water basin up to the minimum water level. Place the main unit over the water basin and fasten the locks. Then place the unit over the dolly. Lock it in place. Gently pull the cord winder. To attach the hose into the main unit, make sure you hear 2 clicks. To remove the hose, push the 2 clips and pull. Snap both electric wands together and then insert the hose handle into the wands. Attach the upholstery brush to clean your home furniture. Use the dusting brush to clean lampshades, lighting fixtures, and screens. Attach the crevice tool to clean in narrow and tight spaces. Use the blower tool to inflate balloons. To blow air, insert the hose at the backside. Attach the tool's holder at the backside of the Ritello. Then insert each tool according to the icon engraved in each hole. The mini power brush is an optional accessory that can be used to clean upholstery, bed mattresses, and carpeted stairs. Attach the floor brush to sweep the tiles, marbles, and the wooden floors. You can also use the microfiber cloth to mop the floors. Damp, do not soak. Introducing the power brush. Insert the electric tubes into the power brush neck to vacuum the carpets and floors. Press with your foot on the height adjuster to regulate the level. 5 is for shaggy carpets. To remove the tubes, press with your foot on the neck pedal. Introducing the AquaJet and AquaSet. The Aqua Brush is useful to suck up water, liquids from the surface. Use the squeegee together with the Aqua Jet for scrubbing and mopping the floors. Fill the Aqua Jet tank with water and 20% soap to wash your carpets and floors. Attach the hose to the Ritello, turn the unit on, and start washing. Remove and clean the separator when found dirty. Empty and clean the water basin after each use or during long periods of cleaning. Connect the hose at the back and front to unclog any debris that may be blocking the airflow or to dry the hose. Use only Ritello fragrances with the Purello Air and Room Freshener.